Hello guys, it's Najibu. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can design a good flyer or you can design a good poster using the simplest method. Okay, so what you will do is that before we start, you will go on Play Store. As I earlier said in our previous class, that a flyer is a form of paper presentation. It can be digital, which is aimed at increasing the awareness of a particular brand or awareness in any other sense. Like you can have a marriage invitation, you design a flyer for it, an invitation card. You can also have something like a new restaurant, you design a card for it. And so I'm going to be showing you guys how you can design a flyer without stress and without a lot of thinking. So you go on your Play Store and then you type the Canva, okay? Canva. It's a designing application that permits you to re-edit templates. So you search on Canva, you're going to see it, Canva graphics designing. Mine, since I've already downloaded, I will just have to open it because I've downloaded it already. So this is Canva, this is the interface. If you look up here, you're going to have for you have social medias, presentations, videos, and many other things. So the reason why you have all those ones are because if you choose, you are going to see, you see marketing, office, and many more. If you choose any of them, then you are going to see videos that relates to that. So let's start with for you, and maybe we choose a template in order to do the editing on it. Let's say I choose this particular template. Okay. You see, at this point, it's a very sweet template. All what you need to do is that if a template suits what you want to do, you just re-edit it. Like, let's say we go on with the editing. Okay. Okay, you can size it up here. Yeah, something like that. But I can now change this other one to and put whatever I want to put there. So here it's mainly for editing. You just edit a template which best suits what you want to do with it. So I can now rechange the picture. I can click on the picture and I click on this replace down here, and it takes me to my gallery. I can click on this upload media, then I choose any picture that I will replace it with. Let's say I just replace it. I can still choose this one, provided I'm talking about food here. I can still choose this one and do the replacement. You can see the flyer has become very suitable for use. So you click here in order to download it to your mobile. You click here. Let me demonstrate it once more. Yeah, once you click there, you are going to see save as image. You click on save. It prepares your design and save. Now you see the design is now saved. You can continue editing, or you go to the home page, or of course if you go to your gallery, you will definitely see the design there that you just did. In your gallery, you are going to see the picture you just designed. Hope it's beautiful. Okay, try it out and see if you will get something better.